Hi you guys, it's Lisa. Thanks for joining me at my channel. Today we are doing another clean up your craft room video. Now check this out. I was in the yard and here is a flag that says, pesticide has just been sprayed. So I brought it in. Of course I washed it and now I'm just going to cut that flag off. And what I'm going to do is organize my washi tape with it. This is just crazy. I know you think I'm probably the strangest thing, but it came to me when I saw a video, and that was by Diane Reevely from Dilutions, and she had her washi tape on these really cool rings, and I'll link it above here and show you the video. It's really cool. So I thought I would make my own rings, and I would use just some type of wire. Okay, so I took the flag off. Now I'm going to bend the end so that they link together. And I had just a drawer full of washi tape that needed to be organized. So this is what I came up with. And don't worry, I did wash this wire, so it's not full of pesticide. And here is how it turned out. I just bent the end. And I was going to turn them in a little bit so that it didn't scratch, but it really didn't bother me. I think it would scratch more the other way, so I turned it back. So here's how it hooks together. Just quick and easy little ring like that. How super cool. So I have the small one I'm going to use with all of my black based washi tape, and I didn't know this, but I had quite a bit, so it filled up the ring. Now you can do many rings and do them color coordinated if you want, and obviously the cost is going to be very low to organize this, and then you could link them together if you wanted to. So you could have one for all your reds, one for all your pinks, one for all your oranges. Now, Diane Reevely had a great big hoop. It must have been maybe 14 inches in diameter, so it was real nice. But I couldn't find any of those online or anywhere at the store. So this is what I came up with, just this wire, and when I was out in the yard, there it was. So I'm putting them all on. Then when you can see your washi tape more, and I think I would be using it a bit more. So pretty interesting. I hope you like this series, and make sure that you comment below. I'm trying to grow my blog, and I would love it if you would check me out on Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube, of course. So I needed some more, and I was going to use this wire hanger in the same manner, but I couldn't get it to cut. My pliers weren't strong enough, so I had to go out and use my husband's wire cutters, and I just folded it the same way. And now I'm going to put all of my washi tape. I'm putting my big rolls on first, and then I'm going by the color of the rainbow, the reds, the oranges, the yellows, the greens, the blues, etc. And I ended up putting my sparkly ones on the black ring, and I thought that they would be a little bit easier to find when I was looking for my Christmas stuff. So that's how that went. Like I said, I hope you like this little craft room cleanup hack, and like I said, leave me a comment below. I super appreciate the comments, and that just lets me know that you're watching. I so appreciate it. Thanks so much, and next week we'll have another one. I have lots of ideas. We're going to do my stamps. We're going to do my stamp catalog. We're going to organize my dies. I have 3 different spinners that I have in my craft room, and we're going to organize those. And also I have a mail station that we're going to take care of. That's how I send out all my cards. I'll even show you how I organize my cards that I have already made so that I can make sure I get those out to the public. And I do send out a lot of cards. People really like it. People call me the card lady. So, not to worry, lots and lots of these craft room cleanups on my blog, and that is once a week. And I usually try to do that on Wednesday, Friday, or Sunday. Some days when I don't have another video on my YouTube. So here's the 2 rings that I have, and you'll see in the still shots after the video how I hung them up on my pegboards where I organized my stencils last week. So here's my start, and then we go to the finished. Thanks so much. I'm glad you watched along with me, and we'll see you again next week for Clean Up Your Craft Room.